Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Outlook.com using two-step verification step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Outlook.com website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and click Next. Type in your password and click Sign In. If prompted, you will see a message about two-step verification. If you have two-step verification set up, check your registered device for a security code. Open the authentication app on your phone or check your email for the code. Type the security code into the required field on the Outlook page. Click Verify to complete the process. If you don't have the authentication app yet, you can receive a code via text or email instead. Select the option for receiving a text message to your registered phone number. Wait for the text message to arrive with your security code. Enter the code from the text message into the appropriate field. Click Verify again to authenticate your login. Once verified, you will successfully log in to your Outlook.com account. For added convenience, you can choose to remember this device for future logins. This will reduce the need to enter the verification code each time you sign in. You are now fully authenticated and can use your Outlook.com account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.